Are you feeling overwhelmed by the NEET PG syllabus? Don't worry. Over 70% of students are facing the issue of time management. Many of the students are facing an issue while watching recorded lectures, missing important concepts. Without proper guidance, it's very easy to get lost in the vast syllabus, leading to burnout and frustration. Imagine a preparation plan designed to tackle these challenges head-on. Introducing the DBMCI Live 360-degree plan. Our interactive live classes are designed to keep you engaged. Manage your schedule. You can ask questions in real time, and we will finish your syllabus with at least 2 revisions before the exam. You will benefit from direct one-to-one mentorship by Dr. Rajat Jain, who will hold your hand till your NEET PG exam. You will get complete QBank and test series with 2 revision programs before the examinations, fast track test and discussion, and one-shot revision plan. Now say goodbye to all your worries regarding time management, schedule preparation, and revision plans. Enroll in the DBMCI Live 360-degree plan at dbmci.com or call 98101 50067 today. And always remember, Bhatia hai to bharosa hai.